Today we are at the Portrush air show. Where it's going? All the way over there. Why the hell is a porta potty out in the middle of an air show? So this is what it looks like in the inside, and this is what it does. That's what it does. Yo, that's all it does. Wow. And what is this thing? No way. A prismatic seed. Whoa. Yeah. Look at this. This looks like a prismatic seed from GAG, also known as Grow Garden. Okay, so we're almost to the aircraft. La 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 la. Guys, hi. Is that a hangar? Yo, is that the freaking fuel tanker? Is that a tanker for the planes? Okay, we're here at the aircrafts. Yo, guys, what kind of plane's is that? Yo, guys, look at the engine. This is the engine of this aircraft, Royal Air Force. Look how big this engine is. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Sheesh, 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 sheesh. Yo! Yo! Guys, we're gonna go in this one. Guys, look how cool this helicopter is. Pretty cool, huh? Guys, what do you think that lever was for? Why was that lever? What is that lever for? Yo, since when did Stormtrooper get into the army? Stormtrooper coin IRL. Ain't no way. Guys, we're going inside. Let's go in. Let's go in. Wow. Yo. Wait, hold on. Let's look at the cockpit. Yo. Yo. Look at all these controls. No entry.
Go sit down there, boys.
Whoa.
Matthew, sit down there.
Hold on, I'm gonna sit down. Ooh, it feels like we're in.
What's a helicopter? Is this on?
This is so comfortable. Hold on, let's see out the window. See out the window. Yo, how cool is this?
This is fast.
This
is the fastest.
And I'm gonna put.
Sit down, boys. I get a picture. Sit down.
Look at that. That's actually so cool. Look at this. Look at that. The red fighter jet. This reminds me of actually going on a plane. So cool, Dad. Okay, guys, let's get out of the plane. / helicopter. What is that? Yo, look at this sticker. Guys, look at these missiles. Look at these. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Stranger danger. Let's see him. This video is so cool. So cool. Wow. Yo, look at this. We are now in. How do I get in? Yo. Wow. This. Is this the Troskik? Wow. Look how cool this is. Here's the throttles. Here's the thingies. Yeah, look at all these. This is so high up, bro. Wow. Look at this. We are flying in a real airplane. We're the one flying it. Let's go.
Come on, George, let's go Spitfire.
Woo! Woo! Okay, let's go. I'm out of here. Goodbye, Mr. Plane. Woo! Look how cool that is.
George, come on.
to go in.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. In another aircraft. We're flying a plane.
Let's go.
Full throttle. Full throttle. Hello. Stop, Matthew. We got flaps. Okay. There we go.
Come on, George.
Yay.
Matthew, come on, let's go.
Let's go, Spitfire! Guys, look at all these cool controls. Look at that. Wow. Look at the back. Whoa. Okay, guys, we're going to go out now. See you. Goodbye, Mr. Plane. We will miss you. Please. Look how big this jet is. Wow. Hold up. For some reason, this helicopter has eyes. Pretty sure that's K-Cat. Guys, look at this. There's a helicopter painting. There's it. We took it down. There's it right here. There's it right there. And look at this big painting. Wow. Look how cool this is. With the big jet. That's such a cool jet right there. What? Yo! Look at that plane. Yo! That's actually such a cool plane.